Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix won't open in Amazon Music. So if that happens to you, you will need at first to restart your phone, and as I told you, that's the first step. So this fixes many won't open issues instantly and clears temporary system bugs. Also, after that, you will need to force stop the app or force close the app. And to do that, you will need just swipe up from the bottom of your phone and then just swipe up the app. Okay, so that way you will force stop the app and will close it completely from the recent apps, and then just wait for a few seconds and try opening again. Also, you will need to check for an update on your Apple App Store or Google Play Store. So just open your shop or your store and then go with the Amazon Music, type it on the search bar and find it, tap it, and tap on updates if available, because the old versions often fail to launch. Also, you will need to update your phone, okay, and to do that you will need to go with your phone settings, go with the software updates available at the second option, as you can see, and after that go with update now, so install the latest updates and ensure the compatibility. Also, you will need to check the storage space, okay, so all of these options you will find them inside general option. It's the first option right here. Tap it and then go with the iPhone storage, and there you go. So you will need to make sure that you have at least 1 to 2 gigabytes free, and the apps may not open if storage is full. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.